I have used the plastic lunchbox container for many years. It's about time to switch to the glass lunchbox container. I bought this one from Fit on Amazon. It can not only used in microwave, but also can be used in freezer and oven. Very cool. It comes with a 3-piece. Each one about a 32 ounce. And you can see all the details. Here are the 3 boxes. Let's open the package to see what's included. You come with the 3 pieces, 3 lunchbox, and each lunchbox has the plastic wrapper. This is my favorite one. You can see here is a note from manufacturer. This one comes with 3 compartments. It's about a 7.5 inch long. It's about a 5.5 inch wide. Let's open it up. This is the second one, has 2 compartments, and this one has 1 compartment. So you pretty much one order have 3 different designs. The plastic container is very solid, very thick. It's actually quite heavy. It's about 24 ounce. And also about 1.5 pounds. So it's not heavy, but it's good stuff. It's heavy. Let's remove the plastic wrap. You can see it's crystal clear, very nice coverage. The plastic one is BPA free. If you open the lid, you can also see the blue rubber around it. That gives you the better sealability. Every day I bring this glasses container to the work. It's very good. It depends on the different dishes. I can use a 3 compartment. I can use a 2 compartments, or I can even use 1 compartment with all the mixed food. You know, it's a really good quality. You got a 1 order for 3 different design, a BPA free material, 5 stars.